Hey, what's up guys? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road, taking you to another location.
Man, the sign says close. Oh man, this is not good. I just drove 2 hours to come here just to see a closed sign to the Doverstone Church Park. Jeez. Well, the only thing I can do right now is just get to that driveway and read it a little more and see what's the deal. Well, let's see what the sign says. And it surely says closed as far as I'm concerned. Well, I see some people up at the hill there, at the entrance of the Doverstone Church entrance. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make a U-turn and go into a parking lot because the stores are closed over here, and I've parked there before on weekends and pretty much nobody is around. This looks like a good spot to make a U-turn. I'll just come in here. Let me negotiate this U-turn, and here we like I said, there's a parking right back here. There's a strip of stores, but I believe they're closed on weekends. I mean, up here in this part of the state, or in the lower Hudson Valley, pretty much everybody takes off weekends. So, I mean, there's cars in here, but I'll throw the bike in here somewhere. Alright, there's a nice shade right over there.
They have this thing on lockdown right now. It says closed because the COVID situation. But I am going in anyway. It was a 2-hour ride coming up here. I was about to turn around and some folks came out and they said there's a whole bunch of people back there. I mean, you can't see them because they're way deep inside over there. I don't know if you can see all the way over there, but I'm heading in. So again, I'll talk to you in the future. Just saw a bunch of people going in. As you can see, let me show you. There they are. They're going in. They don't care about this. Well, I'm gonna go down too. Why not? I mean, it's a waste of my time coming all the way up here and I can't get in. So I'm going in, take my photos, and get the hell out before state troopers come. Right? All right, I'll check you out in a little bit. Hey, what's up? JR here from On the Other Side of the Road. I came to Dover Plains in New York, and I'm about to go in to Doverstone Church, which is a path leading all the way down to a cavern, and I'm going to photograph it today. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the path, a little bit the inside, where the ravine is, or the little river, and the actual cavern. All right, so why don't you follow me for a little bit? All right, that's the first part of this little hike. It's getting down the stairs. Look at that, way up there. So I've been here before. It's about a 10-15 minute little walk in there till you get to the cavern. You just gotta follow this. Anyway, look how beautiful this is, huh? Look at that nice little path. Very beautiful over here. Check out this beautiful landscape. Look on this side here. Oh, look, you got some dirt bike riders way over. Oh, you probably can't even see them, but you probably hear the noise. Oh yeah. I don't know, maybe you can see that right there. Yep. There you go. A four-wheeler and a two-wheeler. Yep, making all kinds of noises over there and making dirt up in the air. All right, looks like we're kind of halfway down over here now. So we made it all the way from down there, and now we're coming up. Okay, so here's a path from this bit of stairs at the back there, and we're gonna keep following through here. Okay, we just reached this opening here. There's like a fence here. I'm not sure what's going on here. It's not doesn't look like it was being closed or anything. I'll walk right through. This road, walking road, trail here is a little crunchy there, so have the right foot gear when you're coming in here, and I do not have the right foot gear. I got motorcycle boots on right now, as you can see. Those are my MC boots, and we're gonna walk through this whole thing here. Hopefully there's not much of this. Okay, looks like we reached a point here. Little post with some information on it. Oh, this says here, trail goes that way, to the left. Let's keep following. Oh, here's another board. Welcome to Dover Stone Church. Enjoy your visit by observing the following rules. And blah, 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 blah. Okay, here we are at a little crossing bridge here for a little stream coming through. That'll get us across and continue our path. As soon as I crossed that bridge over there, I took a left and I came upon this pond here. Beautiful little pond. Just came back on the path that I was on, and let's see what it says here. You got the lower loop to the left. You have the upper loop, a mile round trip. The yellow lookout point, 1.5 miles round trip. I ain't doing that. We're gonna go to the cavern, and that's that way. Well, check it out. Sign on the ground. COVID-19 social distancing at Dover Stone Church. Stay 6 feet apart. Make sure there is 6 feet of space between you and others at the time. Knocked down. This one is not knocked down, but pretty much behind the brushes there. Yep, that's people for you. They don't want to take care of the parks, you know, and these beautiful scenic locations like this, you know. What are you gonna do, man? Some people are just plain fucking assholes. Okay, so I'm not sure if I missed a point here, but the path does show that it's coming through here. And if I don't remember, it's been a while since I've been here. If I gotta walk up, you know, along the side here, I think it starts again the path there, and then you keep just going. So I don't know. I don't remember. So let's try it. Well, the last thing I need is to slip. That these are wet, and as you know, I'm in motorcycle boots doing this. Not a good idea. And I wasn't about to bring sneakers or anything with me just to do this little trek. I'm going in, take my shot, and going out. Woo, that was a loose rock. Look at this. Whoa, whoa. Yep. Gotta watch those. Guess we're getting closer. I don't know if you can hear that little stream right there. Very nice, huh? Beautiful. I think it's drinkable, right? Okay, I think we came up on the cavern right now, and there it is. A lot of people here. I don't know if I'm gonna get my shot, but we'll try. Anyway, okay, we need to get a little closer there. So we're gonna go right through this narrow little walkway right here. You gotta be very careful. Everything is real slippery. And you don't wanna bust your ass. So, all right, we made it. Gotta carefully navigate these rocks. All right, this is gonna be my shooting point over here for this shot right here. A little bit up there, and let's see how we do. The stream goes all the way down, and then right behind you is the cavern. Check it out. Look how beautiful that is, huh? I'm going to walk in there a little bit. You can hear the stream. Okay. Look how cool this is in here, huh? That's some cool stuff, huh? Look how nice that is. And through here, on a nice sunny day, you get a nice ray of light coming through there when the sun is overhead, and it'll hit all this down here, and it gives a beautiful photographic scene right here. So let's go in a little deeper. Now it's a little slippery, so you gotta be careful. Okay. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera there. It's a little dark. The sun is going down now. I'm assuming it's around 4 or 5 o'clock right now here. So there's a nice little opening right there. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Very nice, huh? I'm gonna get my camera and shoot this. And then here's the opening right here. How cool is that, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna turn around here. I'm gonna get to my camera, and we're gonna take a few more pictures before I leave, and then I'm out of here. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this episode of On the Other Side of the Road with JR, and I'll catch you on the next scenic location. Peace out, man. Rub it down. Be safe. Oh, man. Do I have to go up that if I want to get home and get my bike? Yeah, I gotta go that way. It's a journey.